In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dates from Trello cards. Trello is an incredibly popular tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and keeping teams on track. But sometimes, you might need to remove dates from a Trello card, whether it's to clear a due date that no longer applies or simply to declutter your board. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the process to make sure you know exactly how to do it quickly and easily. So let's get started and dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Login page, where you can access your account. Now, enter your email address into the provided field, or choose one of the sign-in options, such as Google or Microsoft, depending on how your account is set up. After selecting your preferred method, type in your password and click the Login button. From there, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Next, locate the board that contains the card you want to update. Click on that board to open it, and you'll see all the cards and lists it contains. Find the specific card you wish to edit and click on it to open its details pane. This is where you can access and modify all the information related to that card. Once the card's details are open, look for the date information. This could be a due date, a start date, or both. You'll typically find these dates displayed prominently within the card's details. When you've located the date you want to remove, click directly on it. This action will bring up the date picker, which is the tool used to set or modify dates. In the date picker, you might need to scroll down slightly to find the remove option. Once you see it, click on remove. This will delete the selected date from the card. If there are additional dates on the card that you want to remove, simply repeat the same process. Locate the date, click on it to open the date picker, and then click remove. After removing all the dates you no longer need, take a moment to verify that the changes have been applied. Check the card's details to ensure that the date badge has disappeared and that the date field is now blank. This confirms that the dates have been successfully removed. And that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to easily clear dates from any Trello card as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.